Pick Plus. This Chrysler 200 delivers a flexible V6 3.6 liters/220 engine powering this automatic transmission. Heated front seats, wheels, 18x8 satin carbon aluminum, STD, velvet red pearl. This Chrysler 200 features the following options: quick order package 26 liters, incorporated, engine, 3.6 liters Pentastar VVT V6, transmission, 9-speed automatic, transmission, 9-speed automatic, STD, tires, 235/45 R18 BSWS, STD, engine, 3.6 liters Pentastar VVT V6, STD, black, leather face W/mesh cloth inserts, window grid antenna, trunk rear cargo access, trip computer, transmission with driver selectable mode and sequential shift control with steering wheel controls, tire specific low tire pressure warning. This Chrysler 200 is a superstar. Top Safety Pick Plus, KBB.com Brand Image Awards. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your Chrysler 200.